Hi, I'm Richard Packer. I run Games Workshop Singapore, and behind us right now we have an event called Warhammer. And so we've come to Singapore American School to show all these new people how to paint Warhammer figurines. Okay, so we have two different worlds of Warhammer, okay? So Warhammer 40,000, okay, set in the far future, and you've got superhuman warriors called Primera Space Marines defending humanity against the various aliens that want to consume us. And these are some of the starter sets that people can buy to start their hobby with. And over here, we have Warhammer Age of Sigmar. And Age of Sigmar is very much about that high fantasy, like knights fighting against evildoers and wizards, elves, dwarves and dragons, big epic army clashes. And you can choose whatever you want to do in terms of those games, what race you want to play, how you use them, what colour you paint them. Now, the hobby is all about collecting and building these beautiful figures that then you paint. And if you see over here, we have a whole selection of figures that people have painted. Once you've painted them, what do? You go to war, of course. And here we have a collection of figures. These guys here are battling against each other. Who will win? Who knows?